I'm Terri Page, and I came in from Arlington, Texas. I'm a mom and a wife, retired. Prior to that, I was a flight attendant and retired after 35 years. My husband was diagnosed with unusual cancer. Wasn't given more than 3 to 6 months to live. He wanted to gift me with this. I'm 68, and at the moment I feel 92. He's still here, I think because he wants to see the result. Attractive, classy, fun, and mesmerizing. I want to be mesmerizing. He's gonna love it. I'm gonna go to the hotel and do a FaceTime.